Today, many products are made far away from where they are sold. Why is production located across the globe? In the past, most goods were produced close to where they were sold. Factories were usually located near consumers, raw materials, or local markets. Today, production is organized very differently. Many products are no longer made in a single place, but across several countries. Individual production steps are located where conditions are most favorable, while the final products are sold worldwide. This marks the shift from local to global production. Outsourcing becomes easier to understand when we look at a specific product. Take a smartphone as an example. Raw materials are sourced from different parts of the world, such as Africa or South America. Many electronic components are manufactured in East Asia. Final assembly often takes place in China, where large-scale manufacturing and logistics are highly specialized. This shows that outsourcing does not mean producing everything in one place. Instead, different production steps are located in different regions depending on their advantages. The location of production is not random. Companies choose production sites based on specific location factors. These include labor costs, the availability of a suitable workforce, reliable infrastructure, and good access to transport networks. Regions that combine several of these advantages become important production locations within global value chains. Outsourcing only works if transport is cheap, reliable, and predictable. Modern transport systems make it possible to move large quantities of goods over long distances at low cost. Because delivery times can be planned accurately, companies can separate production and consumption without losing control over supply. Transport, therefore, does not just connect locations, it allows production to be organized globally. Global production chains do not only depend on economic factors, they also depend on political stability. When production is distributed across several countries, disruptions in one location can affect the entire production process. Political instability, conflicts, or sudden policy changes can interrupt production or transport. As a result, outsourcing decisions are influenced not only by costs, but also by how stable and predictable a region is.